Kingsburg, California station. Sign up on top says San Francisco's 225 in a fraction in miles, and then to New Orleans 2261 in a fraction mileage. Elevation 300 feet. Classic Southern Pacific. Got Southern Pacific logo on the waiting chairs and over on the luggage cart. Here's a little placard in front of the station. The station was restored in 2017. Shows before and after pictures. Very cool looking luggage cart. Southern Pacific Lines logo. Looks like a cool place to watch trains. You got a nice little siding here. See the lights. Main line track there. Siding all the way down to the next grade crossing. Benches look comfortable enough, and they have the SP logo on both sides, both the street side and building side. Start your reading now. A cool water tower across the street from the Southern Pacific Depot. Inside the waiting room, you've got an old school telephone right there. High ceilings. Little stove in the corner. I'm guessing this was the ticket counter. And you got an office while the typewriter set up, agent books, file cabinets. Southern Pacific system map way over there. Heater and ashtray. More maps over there. Men's room over there, ladies' room over here. Fancy lights. And Wells Fargo display with horses, stagecoach, books, and a boat. Regular clock high in the wall. Anybody remember these light switches? Push a button. Another shot of the inside of the Western Union Telegraph and Cable Office. Looks like those are semaphore handles. back there. There's no semaphore outside the building, but there's the original handles. More typewriters. Another phone. Those neat little tractors on the dock, so to speak, on the south side of the station. There's a baby shower going on inside the station itself, so can't access all of it. We can zoom in on the back side. Oops. I got this mesh fence in front of me I'm trying to work around so you can see the Kingsburg sign. There we are. Then you come over a little farther. There we are. Kingsburg. Did a great job restoring this station. Looking south down the right of way. Got the siding track. Coming around. Looking north up toward the station. I'm trying to do a drive-by of this place. There's so much to look at, but like I said, there's a baby shower going on inside and I don't want to disturb them. But it looks like it'd be a great place, big parking lot, great place to watch trains in Central Valley, Union Pacific, former Southern Pacific lines. There's a better shot of the south-facing Kingsburg sign. It's San Francisco 225 and tenths. It's like 8/10 of a mile, and then New Orleans also tenths of a mile. Cool place. I like to come here when they're open and get a tour from a docent and find out more about this place. West side platform up to the freight docks. The loading door there. Entrance door here. With more insides to see. Here's a close-up of the semaphore controls and the telephone and the telegraph. And this build out so they could see down the tracks in either direction. Better shot of the luggage on the cart. With the sun this time. Walk around inside the waiting room.